As the sun marks its zenith and the days stretch into long, lazy afternoons, the allure of summer travel grows irresistible. Picture yourself lounging on a sun-drenched Mediterranean beach or trekking through lush, unexplored rainforest trails. But if you're one of the many who think that planning a summer getaway at the last minute will only lead to skyrocketing prices and logistical nightmares, think again. The travel industry is always evolving, and with a few savvy strategies, last-minute planners can stumble upon some of the season's best travel deals. In this essay, I'll share those insider secrets, turning your impromptu travel dreams into achievable, budget-friendly realities. In the realm of travel, the early bird usually gets the worm, or in this case, the best deals. However, the last-minute market is filled with opportunities for those who know how to navigate it. Airlines, hotels, and tour operators frequently need to fill spaces close to departure dates, and thus offer discounts to ensure they do not remain empty. This is where a last-minute traveler can catch a break. Understanding the strategic release of these deals is crucial. For example, airlines are known to drop prices on Tuesday afternoons for flights leaving the following week. This pattern arises because airlines assess weekend bookings and adjust prices to fill seats. Seizing the best deals often requires a mix of timing and technology. Utilize travel apps and websites that alert you to price drops and last-minute deals in real time. Tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Hopper provide notifications that can help you snatch up the best offers before they disappear. Moreover, being flexible with your travel dates and destinations opens up a plethora of possibilities. For instance, flying midweek or during off-peak hours can significantly reduce your travel expenses. Timing isn't the only tactic. Sometimes it's about whom you know. Building relationships with travel agents can lead to insider information on upcoming promotions and packages that are not advertised to the general public. Not all destinations are suited for last-minute plans. Tourist hotspots like Paris or Tokyo might be challenging without prior reservations. Instead, look for places with a wide range of accommodations and activities that cater to spontaneous travelers. Destinations like Costa Rica, Mexico, or the southern coast of Spain offer rich experiences with more flexible booking options. Another factor is seasonality, opting for places that are in their shoulder season, the time between peak and off-peak seasons, can also provide better deals and thinner crowds. For example, visiting the Caribbean in late August offers much of the same sunny allure, but with more attractive prices and fewer tourists. Once you've secured your destination and travel bookings, ensuring a smooth experience is next. Packing wisely and preparing for unforeseen circumstances are key. A last-minute trip might mean you won't have new gear for your adventure, but it ensures you pack only what you need. Embrace the spontaneity of your journey. Sometimes the best travel stories come from unexpected encounters and unplanned excursions. So, while planning is necessary, leave room for serendipity. To illustrate, let me share the story of Alex and Sam, who booked a last-minute trip to Thailand. By using flight comparison tools and staying flexible with their itinerary, they experienced a once-in-a-lifetime trip exploring floating markets and remote temples, proving last-minute trips can be as enriching as well-planned adventures. Their story, along with other similar experiences, underlines the potential and excitement of impromptu travel. It shows that with the right mindset and tools, the world is truly your oyster, even at a moment's notice. Through careful strategy, flexible planning, and an adventurous spirit, last-minute travel not only becomes possible, but immensely rewarding. So why wait? The world's beckoning for you to explore its wonders, even at the 11th hour.